Hi guys, Dan here and welcome to my channel. Today we will be reviewing the K1K Samurai Clear Coat Spray Paint. But before that, if any one of you tried this HGKJ8 headlight restoration made from China, just comment below by sharing your experience about this Chinese product. I just want to share my experience with this stuff for you to decide which best suited for your DIY headlight restoration. I decided to get the Samurai K1K product made from Malaysia since the spray paint had a good review around the internet. So without any further ado, let's get started. Its JJK8 solution at first was looking good and shiny, but after I have done applying this to my car's headlight, in just 6 months, its JK solution is not looking good anymore. It turns yellowing and making cracks around my two headlights surfaces. If you take a look at my left headlight, there is a yellowing portion that getting built up over time. They are started to getting cracks around the surface and it's kinda annoying. Prior to your sanding process, I'm showing to you the sandpapers that I'm going to use. First thing, I will be using the 800 grit and follows the 1200 grit in the middle of the process and 2000 grit sandpaper for the final sanding. A good sanding preparation is highly required so you will obtain a very good result. Before starting the job, it requires a dust mask for you or for your spraying, and make sure when doing the job in an open area, strong wind will ruin your spraying process. So better to put your car in a covered area to keep your painting process free from wind disturbance. Mine just got the chance to spray in an open area without any problem. After applying first coat to the headlight, I must apply another coat process to obtain more shiny and a clear finish result. I suggest that you do have to repeat the spraying process in 3 to 4 times for getting best result. If you find this video helpful, please do like this video and hit subscribe and click the bell icon for more future videos from this channel. Now I'm showing to you the result of my headlight restoration. I will also update you after 3 to 6 months so you will know the status of my DIY headlight restoration. Below from this video are the links of the K1K Samurai spray paint which you may buy online. Okay guys, this is Daniel and stay tuned to this channel for more videos and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.